Alright guys, welcome back. If you made it through that first Star Wars break, well, good for you. This is going to be our first X-Men Marvel Metal Universe break video, okay? It's going to be our first one. It's almost as cringe as the Star Wars one because, again, I don't have any sleeves or top loaders or just, we didn't know what we were doing. It's our first box. It's why we got into the whole thing. And watch us grow. And I'll do a recap at the end. And if you want to, just fast forward to the end to see the hits. If not, you can see them get pulled. All right, guys. Here we go. First ever break. Marvel Metal Universe. Do it. This is going to go in order. Grabbing from the top. I feel it, or not feel it, just feel it. What it feels like. Uh-oh. Might need to... Alright. First ever pack.
Oh, what? No, don't bend it.
I'm just saying the first card that I could see in the back what it was.
Oh, man. Oh.
Wow, and then the first card ever, of course.
Let's see them and then make sure
Sunspot. The Gambit. So is this a gold? No.
No. What was it they said? Look at the back. Well, those are the highest.
An arcade. That's why I was laughing. So go down the same pack, and in the same row.
You gotta like get the little...
Where?
There,
Okay,
see, yeah, on one side's like easier.
I'm not looking at it. Sheesh. Okay. Shatterstar. Firestar, Colossus,
Polaris, Vanisher, Gladiator. That's okay. Yeah, I'm looking.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see if you get it. And then
I got it. I have to see the last card. No matter. Ready? Armor. Boom Boom. Toad. Sage. Gold, Rachel Summer. That's definitely gold.
yeah, that has to be gold. Like flip it over.
Yeah, it's green.
Yeah.
So the first gold is Rachel. And Sunfire. And you know it's gold because that right there is not gold.
That's why I usually have gold.
I think it's right there.
Yeah.
Cool. Dark Phoenix, Havoc, Onslaught, Cypher. Nice!
Oh, way!
No way!
Yeah.
Is that gold? It is! It is! All right!
I know the base, that one.
Nice. Nice. What are the odds of that? That's pretty nice.
Bling. And then
Bling. Bling.
Bling. Oh gosh.
Wow. Wow, that's cool. Well, that's two of the golds already.
I know, right?
Copycat. Iceman. Aurora. Proteus. Wait, is this gold too?
Are
Yeah.
we all three run right after the other?
Is it?
It has to be, yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Forge.
So gold forge. And that's pretty nice.
I'm not so scared.
All right, we're halfway there. Okay, here we go. Kid Omega. Whoa, the base Deadpool. All right, cool. Bedlam. Emma Frost. Oh, first Grandiose.
Oh,
Sage.
what? That would look cool in person.
I thought it was Julie.
I did too.
And Sebastian Shaw. Oh, Okay, here we go. So, we know we're getting another Grandiose, but are we done with the golds?
I guess.
And here we go. Psylocke, Blink, Legion, Cannonball. Whoa, that's a Grandiose. Dark Phoenix.
I know people like them.
And Exodus. So, yeah, there's not going to be any more.
No, I know. What's
Grandiose.
left now? God.
There's not going to be. Who knows now? And all those hits on the other side, yeah. One side.
All that.
Warpath, Banshee, Stepford Cuckoos. There's something there. That's probably the Palladium back there. Now there's that Warlock everyone thinks is gold.
Of course. You cursed
And the
us.
Palladium Cannonball. So we still knew the Palladium was coming in. That's what it feels like.
Wow.
And Ultimate Wolverine. Pink? I don't know.
I don't know.
Well, there's 4 cards left.
I don't think so.
Or 4 packs left. Kinda scary, a lot of the hits are already there.
Like, is there this it? Oh, you know, at least you got the gold rose.
There's another one I was gonna laugh at if we got. Sentinels, Master Mold, Kitty Pride, Pyro, Strife, and Eye Boy. Only 2 more. 3, well, 3. Beast that everyone thinks is gold.
I know. It does look gold, but no.
Husk. Cyclops. Oh, Comic Cuts! Alright!
Cyclops.
Comic Cut Cyclops. Look at that. A Comic Cut. Wow, so we weren't done. And a Quicksilver.
Wow.
Alright, well, let's look at that. A Comic Cut. Look at that. 37 out of 50. X-Men number 2.
No way.
Wow.
Neat. Does it feel different?
We don't have any sleeves.
I know. We're gonna have to take very good care.
All right, let's see if that was that. Let's see if that was the big one. Random, Mr. Sinister, Angel, Arcade, Bishop, and Wendigo. Okay.
Last one.
Last one. Feels the same weight as the other ones. So let's see if the Comic Cuts is all we're getting for our first box. Yeah. There we go. Vanisher, Gladiator, Sunpire, Bling, Omega Red, and Magic. So, yep, that was the big one right there. A Comic Cut Cyclops. Wow. Our personal favorite.
Yeah, my favorite.
Gold Rogue. Yeah, that was our first box.
All right, guys, as promised, here's a recap of all the hits. I'll start off with the best one so it stays here the entire time. And that's going to be this Comic Cut from X-Men number 2. It's going to be 37 out of 50. Now, this is what you're looking for the card-wise. Okay, so this is going to be 37 out of 50. There's going to be 50 of these, but it all depends who's on that, who's in the paper, because, you know, you could have something with, you know, a lame character. This is pretty good. This is a, you know, pretty good frame of Cyclops, and it's X-Men number 2. Okay, so I don't even think there's an X-Men number 1 on this, but I could be wrong. So yeah, pretty good card. And the second best card we actually missed. You can go back and see it get pulled, but it was a pink. It was this pink stripe, okay? And all the pinks are labeled are numbered to 75. All right, and in an average box, you're either going to get one of these or you're going to get a precious metal gem, a red one or a green one. But as you see in the videos, anything can happen. But yeah, so we missed this one because we didn't know what we were doing as usual. So those are the two best cards. The rest, you know, this is just a base high series Deadpool. Nothing special about it, just that people like Deadpool, and you'll see you're going to want to hang on to Deadpool and Wolverine. This is our personal favorite. This is a gold Rogue. Okay? All the cards will look the same. This is a high series, though. Okay, so you can see the difference here. Okay? Low series, low series, high series. So, and this is just the gold parallel. This is a low series gold forge. A low. Oh yeah. So where's the? And a gold Rachel Summers. And in a average box, you're gonna get 3 gold. But stranger things have happened. And then these, people call them purple, but they're actually grandiose. And you're going to get 2 of these per box. They're not going to be numbered. This is a high series Sage. And this is a high series Dark Phoenix. And they're not numbered. That's just the number of the card. So in every box, you're going to get 2 of these. But stranger things have happened. And another thing you're guaranteed is 1 palladium. Okay? And probably in the videos and in the videos to come, we're thinking that they're numbered because it says right here 8 of 50. That's not a number. There's 50 of these cards. 50 characters is what they're saying. Okay? So every box has one. So you know, it's not 8 of 50. So, but anyways, that was our first box of Marvel X-Men Metal Universe. We actually purchased this box here in town. Good thing we did. It was the only one they had, and this was waiting for us. So blessed. All right.